Here I'm at Mohawk Mountain. Trying to do parks on the air here. Mohawk Mountain is US 1699. Beautiful morning. Bugs are out. May 3rd, 2025. Gorgeous here though, huh? Looks like we may get some thunderstorms later. I got up here early. I was flying a drone just before sunlight this morning. Not here, because you can't fly in state parks, but it was a regional land trust area. A few towns south of here. It's a nice area. No contacts yet. I'm using a halfway end-fed 10-meter. I'm using a Xiegu 6100, just on low power QRP. I forgot my power cord. I have the battery, but no power cord, so I'm on QRP right now. First time I actually using the radio. It actually tuned up pretty well with the end-fed, which I'll show you that. I got my mess of line here for the end-fed for tossing the line up into a tree. Here's a connector for the end-fed, and it's going up into that tree here. What a day. What a morning. Got a big old raven just flew in. He's probably trying to check me out to see if I give him any goodies. Here's my setup here. Just on the picnic table. I got my handheld. See if I can contact the club, which is probably in about an hour. They're going to have a coffee cup. Looks like the Xiegu X6100 is just about out of juice. I did make one contact into Barbados, so that was kind of cool. Park to park, so that was neat. So not a total fail, but I failed with not bringing the connector for my battery to boost this up to about 10 watts. Actually, the station received me a lot better than I was receiving him, so it's kind of much on my receive end, but it could be just about anything. There's another station on 28370 in Iowa, so I figure I'll just run this out. If I hear him, I'll try giving him a call. It's just about after 9.
Don, you sounded like you were almost there, W1BRY. Any quick comment? No, just enjoying the morning here. Put up a new antenna this past week, and we're going on a little trip tomorrow, so that's about it. I'll turn it back to the W1BRY.
So it looks like the net is coming in on 2 meters, so
That's a lot. Have a good time and go across, stay safe, and
I might see if I can contact them, but